Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy Junior, Junior's Paint House. So today we're going to... Hey man, shut your ass up, we're introducing the new guy. So what's up, man?
Y'all, I'm Marcus Landis, man, the new guy over here in the shop, man, learning how to do bed liners, spray paint, you know, and heck of a skill.
Alright, there you go.
I appreciate my boy just bringing me in, showing me the ropes.
So today we had the Tough bed liner guy come in, kind of did a little demo on a truck. This one here, basically, they already had bed liner on it, but just to do a test run, they kind of did just a light, I guess like a top coat on it, just to kind of freshen it up, give it a little bit of texture. So let's take it over to whole ass Keel. What you think, Keel?
What's up, people?
Come on, man. I mean, talk about the bed liner, what you learned. Because you already know.
Really,
hey,
it's really all we did to this truck right now today was just add a light texture to the top. We didn't use a base coat because it already had a bed liner on it. So what we basically did was textured it and made it look brand new. You can't even tell the difference unless you put your eye on it like that.
Stupid. So what you think about it, Marcus? What you think about this bed liner?
Hey, it was very interesting, man. I mean, standing back with the gun, learning how to, you know, do them bed liners, spraying them, and got the truck covered properly. You got it taped off correctly. That way, you can get exactly what you're aiming to get, man. And so, just having to say that, man, just doing a good job on them. You know what I'm saying?
So far, what do you think about Keel, man? You know, I got to put you on the spot.
What I think about who?
About Keel.
Keel?
Who would win in a fight?
Let me see.
No.
Out of me and you?
I gotta go with Marcus. Marcus is a little bit bigger than you.
Hey, you know what I always say, man. It ain't the size of the dog.
It ain't the size of the dog in the fight. It's the size of the fight of the dog, man.
You know, that's just one thing. You know, have to be
nah, guys. Y'all can see, you know, we all get along. This is a shop, guys. You gotta have fun with you guys and, you know, make it enjoyable to come to a body shop. You know, this is what we do. So.
Let's see if we can spray this bed liner shit on you in the sleep.
The what?
Let's see if we can bed liner your ass.
But yeah, but now it turned out pretty good. So like I said, this was just a top coat on it. We're hoping to do probably another one tomorrow. That's gonna be you know, we're gonna do it from scratch. You know, it's not gonna have nothing on it, so you know, we can document that and let you guys see how it is. So
yeah, we're gonna do your daddy truck tomorrow.
Oh, are ya?
Yeah, we're gonna do your.
Oh, he volunteered.
Yeah, he volunteered.
Yeah, hey,
hey, you know that if you mess it up,
he already told me he's gonna charge me $10,000 if I mess it up.
God, I'd charge you like 20.
He the one. If you do mess it up, he the one gonna be doing all the buff.
Yeah.
Getting that off of there. You know what I'm saying?
Wearing a clown suit.
Hey,
I'm gonna step back and look.
hey, YouTube, if y'all can remember, whenever y'all see him in that little blue ass suit,
He's making fun of me, guys, because of my suit that I wear. So let me show y'all what I got going on in the shop. I got a whole side swipe that I gotta do. So started on the bed today. This is another white pearl. Is, you know, I do a lot of Fords, a lot of white pearls, color code UG. So
Hey, yeah, man, I salute my boy Junior. I appreciate him for just being willing to just take an into our new to industry, new to this stuff here, you know, train me with whatever he know, he's showing me with no charge, you know, so I want to appreciate my
well, I'm gonna send you a ticket once you learn.
Already.
Once you learn, I'm gonna send you a big ass ticket.
No, big one, don't let it be too big, man.
All right, Keel. So you already know what today is. I'm gonna keep my promise, and like I said, once I got to 100 subscribers, you know, I'm gonna give away the. Hold on, man.
man, I'm gonna put you on camera.
I don't want you to put me on camera.
They want to see who giving his gun away.
Why do people want to know who's giving this gun away?
Cause it's your boy Junior.
Yeah. Stephen Darnell. Feel me. Yo, confessions of a dreamer. Word to all my teachers. 745, man, I used to want a Beamer. Me and Keenan used to ride through Willard Park. Stomach growling, he say one day you gon' help light up the dark. See, I'm joined without the glory. I spit that fade away, tongue wagging. They wait for me to slip so they can catch me fall on camera. I used to get inspired, thought I'd make it to the league. But in 11th grade, my coach had cut me from the team. 140 pounds with a boulder on my shoulder. These trials and tribulations only push me to Jehovah. They say, ain't you gospel rapping? Ain't you Christian, homie? Listen, still spazzing with the mic like Scottie Pippen, not to mention I paid so many dues with hella interest. This dead and job and college credits that I never finished. So you gon' need a NASA space suit with a pair of space boots to comprehend this message that I'm spitting for the Savior. When the sun cracked the sky, just another day to make it by. Thanking God I'm glad to be alive. Took a step back, now I see it more clearer. I see yesterday up in my rear view mirror. I woke up feeling brand new. Woke up feeling brand new. Feeling brand new. I woke up feeling brand new. Said I woke up feeling brand new. Feeling brand new. Yo, welcome to my neighborhood. Mama trying to find a meal. Either lights or eating good. Decisions, that's just how we live. I can see it in their faces. People out here losing hope. Today I pray I spit the greatest verse I feel I ever wrote. I hit pad up on the cell. Breathless riding with some lanes. Can't drop the top, the world too cold. Homie going extra main. Read the daily paper, they say Jason losing vitals. Can't take another verse on how to blow 100,000. If I could just clear the stress weighing on my mentals, then I can go and get a rap tour just like Toronto. My flow just like the Rosen. I got saved and now I'm chosen to lead my people way up out of abundance. Call me Moses. It's evil all around the slaughter sheep, man, it ain't hard to see. Coach had cut me from the team, now I spit that varsity. Sometimes it's hard to leave my bed, then I see the sun crack, peeking through the clouds, throw my hands up like 12 o'clock. When the sun cracked the sky, just another day to make it by. Thanking God I'm glad to be alive. Took a step back, now I see it more clearer. I see yesterday up in my rear view mirror. I woke up feeling brand new. Woke up feeling brand new. Feeling brand new. I woke up feeling brand new. Said I woke up feeling brand new. Feeling brand new. Yeah.
Brand new me, brand new vision, brand new plan. Everything brand new. Everything brand new.
Alright guys, so the day has come. I finally hit 100 subscribers. And we're going to talk about the giveaway now. First off, I want to say thank you to everybody. For everybody that has subscribed to the channel. It means a lot, guys. You know, for y'all to want to follow my channel of the stupid shit we do. And, you know, I'm nothing special, guys. I'm just a painter that loves to paint cars and likes to have fun in the body shop. So, once again, thank you guys. Now, for the giveaway, for the Tekna clear coat giveaway, basically, you know, this has been kind of hard on how I wanted to give this away, but I'm gonna make it real simple. When I first got into painting, I'll tell you a little quick story. When I first got into painting, I didn't have the luxury of having multiple spray guns. I used a LG 400 from my water, and I use that gun for everything, guys. And I said this in my last video, from spraying candies to collision work to custom work to clear, primer, sealer. I mean, everything that you could think of went through that gun. And let me tell you, you know, I did some of the most beautiful jobs, but it was a continuous cleanup of the gun to make sure that, you know, I didn't have, you know, any trash or any old residue from previous colors, or, you know, just anything. So I didn't have the luxury. I had to work hard, and now, you know, I've managed to build up my gun collection, and that's why, you know, I'm able to do these videos and try to talk about different guns, different techniques and things that I use that, you know, at one point, you know, could help you guys out. So basically, what I want to know is what drives you to become a painter. You tell me about your goals. Tell me what you plan to accomplish by becoming an auto painter, because you got to remember, guys, this is a skill. This is not like this, let's just say just general labor. I mean, this is actually a craft of painting cars. It's not the easiest, especially when you start doing custom work and stuff, let's say. So I want to know what drives you as a painter. Why do you get up every day and walk into a body shop? It's real simple, guys. I just kind of want to know about what drives you, and why you get up and do what you do. So best answer is gonna win the gun. It's practically a brand new spray gun. I want to use it maybe 2-3 times, and it is a 1.3, but it comes with the 1.4 1.2 tips. As you can see, it got the regulator on it, got the mixing cup. I'm also going to go ahead and buy the adapter for the 3M PPS cups in case that's what you're using. So whoever leaves the best answer, I'm gonna let Keo pick it out. So comment below a genuine answer, and I hope you enjoy it, guys. This is a gift from me to you, because like I said, I didn't get the opportunity to have help from anybody, so I want to be able to help someone now to become a great painter for the future. So leave your comment. I'll announce who ends up winning, and we'll see you next time.